Hello student, this is Shri Prakash and today you will study here note making with me. Students, when any long article is given, then you must know how to make notes of it, because you cannot note down all the paragraphs, all the article, whatever it is given, that is, if you read any lesson, then you note the main ideas of the lesson. So note making is very important in this way, and also it is the first question that you face in your question paper, that is note making. The first question, note making. So here are some points that you must understand before making notes. First of all, read the article or any story which is given carefully and mark the main ideas of the paragraph as main points, which is the main idea, and you will consider it the main point, and the ideas which are associated with the main idea are called subpoints. You will keep it in subpoints. So the first thing you must understand, and the next one you should know, prepare notes using phrases only, because if you write the sentences then it will become lengthy, but note making, when you prepare notes, these are not lengthy, these are in short form. So never use complete sentence, use phrases only or incomplete sentences where you cannot use subject or verb also. The main ideas are taken only, the words are used here, you will not use complete sentence. When main points have been taken and after that subpoints have been taken, so it is possibly having subpoints also, means there are main point, then subpoints, then after that subpoints. These may exist or may not exist there in the passage. So it is optional, because it may be or may not be there. You should provide suitable title that you have to write on the top of your notice, note making, and it is very important that cover all the important points, because if you read any lesson, any article, then the important points which are given there, these must be included. Okay, and after that summary you have to write, and it is written in about 80 to 100 words, in 80 to 100 words. And how will you write summary? I show you here. First of all, read the passage carefully, underline the key points that you have already done here, and it will be helpful here also. The same ideas in the same paragraph, that you must write the same ideas in the same paragraph. Don't bother other ideas in the same paragraph. When idea is changed, you must change the paragraph also, so it will be separated. And this is the use of paragraph, that you will separate the ideas with the help of paragraphs. Topic must be clarified, because if you are not able to clarify your views, then how can it be beneficial for others? Because summarizing anything is precising, that in limited words you can tell the whole story that you have read. After that, accuracy of the sentence, it is very important, and the content is very important. So this is all about the note making and summarizing. Now I am showing you the format on which you will write your notice. Students, this is the format that first of all you will write the title or heading of the given article that you will choose from the passage, the article which is given about what it shows us something. So title, first of all you will write title, then here you will write first, from the first paragraph you will find out the main point, and then after the points which are associated with this you will write here like this: 1.1, that is subpoint, and 1.2 subpoints. And suppose that here this subpoints have further points which can be included here in this way: 2.1.1, 1.2.1, that is subpoint, and here again 1.2.2, that is 2 points are here. These may be more, that is 3 or 4, and here also as it is given 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, so more points can be included, that but not exceed more than 4 points, that is 1.3, 1.4. okay, these also may have subpoints, you can also include here. In the same way, the second paragraph, and then if there is any third paragraph, fourth paragraph, then you will write in this way, that 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Here 1.3 has subpoints, here 1.2 has subpoints, and here 1.3 has subpoints, that 1.3.1 and 2, and 1.3.3 can also be included here if there is need. After that you will write abbreviations, that because it is in compressed way, that you will use phrases only or compressed sentence, then you will use abbreviations also, so that it can be compressed. So abbreviations, whatever used, you will write here, but you will not use number of abbreviations. These must be limited 4 or 5. So, and must be in use, such as GOV for written government, PM for Prime Minister, info for information, like that. You will not use the abbreviations which does not have any meaning. So these must be useful. So students, this is all about your note making and summarizing, and on these points, on behalf of these points, you can also write summary also, because you have understood the main points, sub points, and you can divide them in paragraphs. So through them also you can write summary. Hopefully you will have understood the note making, which is your first question. And one thing I would like to say, practice more for perfection. Thank you, students.